The video describes steps to speed up your computer in the Windows 10. Step 1. 1. Click Taskbar and select Task Manager. 2. Select Startup. These are the program starts when your system starts up. 3. Disable programs that you do not use regularly. Don't disable programs by Microsoft. 4. Close Task Manager. Step 2. 1. Search Defragment and optimize drives and select it. 2. Select C drive and click on Optimize. 3. Wait until optimization gets completed and close the window. Step 3. 1. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. 2. Type temp. 3. Select all files and delete. 4. Close the window. Step 4. 1. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. 2. Type temp. 3. Select all files and delete. 4. Close the window. Step 5. 1. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. 2. Type prefetch. 3. Click Continue. 4. Select all files and delete. 5. Close the window. Step 6. 1. Click on the computer icon. 2. Right-click on C drive. 3. Click Properties. 4. Click Disk Cleanup. 5. Click Cleanup System Files. 6. Click on OK. 7. Click on Delete Files. 8. Close the window by clicking OK. Step 7. 1. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. 2. Type msconfig. 3. Click OK. 4. Select Services. 5. Tick on Hide all Microsoft services. 6. Click on OK. Step 8. 1. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. 2. Type Regedit. 3. Click on He_current user. 4. Click on Control Planar. 5. Double-click on Mouse. 6. Double-click on mouse hover time, change its value to 10 and click OK. 7. Now double-click on desktop. 8. Double-click on mouse show delay, change its value to 10 and click OK. 9. Close the window and restart your computer. After restarting you will realize speedy performance. Thank you for watching.